Today we have called this press conference to express our sincere gratitude and thanks to the government of Goa, ably led by Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Chief Minister, and Honorable Transport Minister Momin Gudino, for giving a super fantastic news to the automobile dealers and the customers who are waiting to buy the cars. I'll just give a small background. The entire automobile industry in India is down by about 30 to 40% across the country. And in Goa, it is in the range of 25 to 30%. So what we realize is there is a need for a boost or a stimulus. The GST Council meeting was held in Goa last month, when the major demand coming from the automobile sector was that GST on motor vehicles should be reduced. But the GST Council did not think it proper and the reduction didn't take place. So immediately the next day, the dealers and the manufacturers said that okay, people were waiting for GST reduction, it didn't happen. So now we have to do something to attract the customers. So very next day, the manufacturers, dealers put together and announced huge discount on two-wheelers as well as four-wheelers, which was never seen in the history of automobile business in India in the last so many years. So that's a amount of huge discount that was offered.
Monthly average was around 4,800 to 5,000. So that has come down to around 3,200. And as far as four-wheelers are concerned, the monthly average was around 1,800 to 2,000 vehicles. That has come down to 1,000 vehicles.
Definitely there has been a trend in metros to buy second hand, or as the finance minister has actually said, the millennials are more used to using ride sharing. So definitely, see, it is a change which is happening in general, but that is not the core reason why the industry has gone down. As our president has rightly said, it is more to do with the sentiment. See, a lot of changes have happened. The BJP government at the center has brought in a lot of good things which are taking shape slowly. Now these things have affected each one's business in a different way, but they took some time. Like we took time to get used to GST filing, and there were some initial hiccups which got smoothened out over time. So these things, by the time we got used to it, there is always a issue of sentiment being shaken up. What this step is helping us is to flip that sentiment.